We are discussing about the set, right? Okay, set methods we are discussing. Let's start. So let me open our workspace folder. Go to Jupyter workspace. Open command prompt. So not right. Yeah. So shall go with the set. Yeah. So first, how we can create a set? How we can create a list? We already discussed, right? Same like that. Can anyone tell me how we can create a set? How we can create a set? Hmm? How many ways we can create? Anyone? Okay, very simple, right? Okay, if you want to create a set, syntactically the curly brace you can use it. If I use curly brace like this, okay, can you see the type of a? Can you see the type of a? What do you think? What is my answer here? Type of a. What is the answer? What is the answer? Type of a. Hmm? Now, see, it is not showing like set, it is showing like dictionary. So here, if you write the curly brace without any data, it is treated this one like a dictionary, not like a set. Now, I'm going to write like this, b equals to, okay, 1 comma 2 like this. Okay, now can I find the type of b? What do you think? Type of b. Come on, what is what is the value? Now if you observe here, it is like a set now. So if you don't have any data, if it is like an empty, then the time by default it is treated like a dictionary. If you put some values like 1 2 or some other, then the time you can say that is like a set. So if you want to create a set, this is one way of creating a set. Another way is what? Anybody guess? Another way, create a set. Can I write like this? Will it work? What is this one? Come on, what is this one? Set expected at most one argument got to. By seeing this one, what you can understand? By seeing this one, what you can understand? Maximum one parameter only. If I remove this one, okay, valid syntax or not? Yes, valid. Now, if you come here, okay, can I write the type of, okay, see, can I write the type of C? It's like a set. It is like a set. Here also, it is like a set only or not. You can create a set either this way or this way. Yes or no? Okay, there are two ways, right? Understood? Okay, with values if you want. Okay, d equals to set of. Okay, it is maximum take one parameter you said. So can I write like this? What is my d value? What is my d value? Can I write a set of d? Can I write set of d? See this? Okay, either you can create an object for the set class by passing maximum one parameter only. But if you come to the list, okay, can I write like this? Will it work or not work? Say this, same only, right? Expected at most one argument. If I remove this one, okay, at most is nothing but maximum one argument, minimum zero. You can say. See, what is my e value? Value or not? Yes or no? Okay, so here you can create a set like this. This is one way. Another way is like you can create a set by creating an object for set class or not. Okay, this one already we discussed. Okay, the next one. When you can go with the set? If anybody asks the question, when you can go with the set, what's your answer? What's your answer? Okay, simple. If you want to represent multiple values in a single variable, then the time you can go with the set. Okay. The next one is like, okay, if I write like this, one comma, like this, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? It is like 100% valid. So here the type is like integer, here the type is like a string. In Python anyway there is no type, but here if you observe, this is the number and this is the string. It allows you the same kind of values or different kind of values. It allows you different kind of values, so that my list, my set, my tuple, all are allowing like different kind of values or not. It's called as a heterogeneous. Okay, now if I write like this, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 3. Okay, if I write like this, now see this. Can I run it? Now what do you think about this one? If I write like this, it is not gives me any error, but while retrieving this particular variable, the value showing like 1 comma 2 comma 3, what it means? Come on, what it means? Hmm?
It removes the duplicate.
It's not going to the duplicate values, right? At the time of adding, there is no error. Syntactical 100% valid. You can put any number of values, no problem at all. But if you come to this particular one, okay, while retrieving, if you see wherever the duplicate values are there, it is like removed or not. It is like removed or not. Okay. Now I have a list. Will it allow you duplicate values or not? List. Come on. It allow you the duplicate values or not? Tell me. It allows you the duplicate values, but my requirement is I want to remove the duplicate values from the list. How we can? I want to remove the duplicate values from the list. How we can? Hmm? I want to remove the duplicate values from the list. How we can? Hmm? Anyone? Okay. My output should be which type? My output should be which type? Tell me. My output should be a list again, right? My output should be a list. So first, how we can retrieve the data from the list? I want to retrieve each and every value from the list. I want to retrieve each and every value from the list. How we can? How we can? I want to retrieve each and every value from the list. How we can? Hmm? How we can? Come on, I want to retrieve each and every value. I want to print each and every value from the list. How we can? How many ways we can retrieve the data from the list? One is like through indexing, another one is like through slicing, another one is like through looping, right? So can I go with the for var inside h? Can I print the var printed or not? So now my question is how we can come to know, okay, one value there or not there in the list? How we can come to know one value there or not there in the list? Okay, 100 is there or not there in the list? Not there. So programmatically tell me how we can tell one value there or not there in the list. How we can tell? Hmm? Okay, see there has multiple list methods are there, right? Is there any method which tells something like that? Depend is there, clear is there, copy is there, count is there, extend the index, okay, inserted, okay, insert to pop, remove, reverse, like that. Is there any method which is suitable for us? Suitable for us? Come on. H dot index. See, append, clear, copy, count. I thought like index may be suitable for that one. Okay, let's do it. Okay, can I call this? It's a function, right? Method. Index expecting at least one argument. Can I add that argument is like, where is my H? 35. 35. Then what happened? If I write like H dot index of, if I write like this, then what happened? Okay, it throws an error, right? It throws an error. If it is throws an error, then the time you have to know exception handling. I don't know at this moment. So if it is there, that's okay. If it is not there, it throws an error. So I don't want to throw an error. Proper way I want. Come on, next. Is there any method suitable for that? Hmm? Come on. 10 inside H, 35 inside H, 1 inside H. There has membership operator. Can I use this membership operator? Yes or no? Can I use this membership operator? Come on. Can I? Okay, so how we can write it? My output is this one. My output is this one. For for val inside H. First time you can get the first value. First value is like what? 1. This 1 there or not there in the list. You can check it. 1 there or not there in the list. You can check it. If it is already there, okay, don't allow the same value again. If it is not there, then only you can add it. So tell me how we can. If val inside H, if it is there, if val inside there, if it is there, then what you have to do? You should not insert, right? When you want me to insert, when you want me to keep, whenever the val not in the H, whenever the val not in the H, then only I want to keep some value in the output. How we can keep the data inside this output list? How we can keep the data in the list? One, is there any suitable method? Is there? Is there any suitable method? Is there? Can I use append? Can I use append? So how we can write it? How we can write it? Okay, output dot append. Which one you want me to append? I want to append the value. I want to append the value. Now, if you see the output, what happened here? If the value not in this run, now can you run this? Now can you check it? Output dot append. What is that one? Come on. 10 for example. Is it like syntactically valid or not? First check it. Output. Now my 10 added or not? Output dot append. Okay, 100. Okay, now see my output. My 100 added or not? Okay, this is working as expected. But the thing is, this particular condition is working or not working, you can check it. This particular condition is working or not working, you can check it. Can I do something like this? Control C. Can I put like this? Okay, just print the value. Print of val. Print of val. Now, val not in H. Not in H. Output. Output. Val not in output. Then only you can keep. Okay. Now, my output. I don't want my output. I don't want previous values. I want to reset to empty. I want to reset to empty. So come here, come here. Can you remove it? Now see the value not in the output, then only you can keep the data in the output. Now if you come here, now h is this one. Now see my output is this one. Now see 1 2 35, 1 2 is like duplicate values, just you can remove it. Now see here, first time first value you can get it. If that value not there in the output, then only you can add it, otherwise don't add. Okay, like this 1 2, again 1 1 already there, not in means it's like false, not in not there, but that is there, so that it gives me false, so it is not executed. Like this you can remove the duplicate values from the list or not. This is one way, this is one way. I don't want to write this much logic. Is there any other way is there to remove the duplicate values? Means I have a set, you can create a set, maximum take how many arguments set, maximum take how many arguments? Come on, one argument. That argument if I pass this list, now see my output, see my output. My output is like 1 to 35, but here this is in which format? Come on, but this is in which format? It removes the duplicate values, that's okay, but it is converted like a set, right? This set I want to again convert into list, so can I convert that set into the list again? Now if you come here, now see, okay, my h is this one, it's a list 1 to 1 to 35. If I write this one, control a control c, if I execute this, now say this 1 to 35, so as expected or not. Either you can use this, either you can use this, or either you can use this one also in a single line. If you want, you can do like this. Okay, if you want another way, you can go like this. Got my point? All right, great. Any questions up to here? Okay. Okay, now you have a set, you have a set, in the set I want to perform some operations. Okay, in the set I want to perform some operation. In the set I want to perform some operations. That's okay. How we can perform the operations in the set? In the set I want to perform some operations. Okay, if you want to perform some operations in the set, okay, first of all, is there any predefined methods out there? Is there any predefined methods out there? Okay, just check. Is there any predefined methods out there? How we can dir of I, as usual, everyone knows this one, dir of I. Now see, these many predefined methods are there, these many predefined methods are there. Okay, now you can see one by one. Okay, first this is my set. Now can I retrieve the data using index first? Can I retrieve the data using index? Can I retrieve the data by using slicing? Can I retrieve the data by using loop first? Okay, basic, right? These three. Okay, let's go. Using index, can I do like this? Can I do like this? Can I do like this? Now h is what? A list. H of 2. Are able to get the output or not? In the set, you are not able to retrieve the data using index. Using index you can get the output is like what? Object is not subscriptable, like this you can get the error. What is this one? Okay, this is okay, something different error message what we not seen so far. Yes or no? But here the thing is what, the set, the data whatever you have, those are like order is not preserved. Order is not preserved means, okay, whenever you insert the data in this order, okay, now you should not expect, if it is like a set, the same order of elements may not change, but the order is not same. It's like keep on changing the order. So whatever the data you inserted in the set, okay, it removes the duplicate values. At the same time, it is going to, okay, change the order also. Sometimes the order is not preserved. That the reason, if the order is not preserved, tell me, if it is a list, always my order is like same. 0th position is like this one, first position, second position, third position, always my order is not changed. But here, if the order is changed, then that time, through indexing, if you retrieve the data, will it give you the same output always? For example, 0 1 2, okay, I of 3, okay, 1 2 0 1 2 3 66. If the order is not preserved, next time if I retrieve I, my order may change. If the order changed, I value, I of 3 value previous 66, but now the third index value is like changed. So that if keep on changing, if I write the condition, the conditions are like keep on failing or not. In that case, okay, they said like order is not preserved. That the reason you should not use index to retrieve the data for this particular set elements or not. We should not use index to retrieve the data to this particular elements. Why? Because if the second position always 2, then I can get it. Okay, the position 2 value, position 2 is like some value, but that position 2 value is like keep on changing. Then how I can come to know which value is there? How we can write the conditions and everything? That the reason my, okay, retrieving the data using index in my set, it is not acceptable. It is not support. Understood? Why the index is not support to retrieve the data from the set means, in the set, the elements order is not preserved. In the set, the elements order not preserved. If the order is not preserved, then the time in which index, which element is there, we not assume. That the reason, okay, you should not use index. Okay, now can I go with the slicing then? Slicing, how the slicing is looks like? See, slicing also depending upon the index only, right? Second index to fourth index, I'm going to take 2 to 4 in between. This is the starting one, this is the stop one, and the next one is like a step. Okay, here also the slicing also depending upon the index only. That the reason we should not go with this. So again the same. Okay, set object is not subscriptable. Okay, so index we should not use to retrieve the data from the set. Why? Because only one reason, in the set, the insertion order is not preserved. Okay, in which order you inserted, okay, you should not expect the same order always. Okay, it is like keep on changing. Okay. Hello, okay? Do you hear okay, everyone? Do you hear okay, everyone? No, to hear okay, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. The next one is what? Looping, right? So for looping is going to work or not? Well, inside I, my for loop always expecting, okay, iterable object. My set is like an iterable object or not? My set is like an iterable object or not? It's like an iterable object only. First value, okay, which value is there, that value only it is going to retrieve or not? That value only it is going to retrieve or not? Agreed with me all? Are, come on, see this. The order is like this, but while, see this, while retrieving, the order is like changed or not? So insertion order is preserved or not preserved? Insertion order is preserved or not preserved? Come on, not preserved, right? Okay, so if you want to retrieve the data, you can go with what? You can go with the looping. Don't go with the index as well as slicing. Okay, now you can go with the next one. Okay, the next one is like what? Add method is there. So this is my I value. Okay, let's start with one by one. I dot. Yeah, what is the type of this? It's like a function. Okay, it's a method, you can say. Okay, can I write like 10, 20, 30, 40? Okay, what is this? Go on. Set dot add take exactly one argument only or not. So exactly one argument it is going to take. Exactly at most. Okay, it is going to understand like make you understand like exactly one argument means okay, it's like one argument only, more or okay less you should not pass. So I dot add of okay 1000 or 100. Now can you come here, see my I, see my I. Okay, somewhere it is added. It's not like in the okay last one. Okay, somewhere it is added. Why? Because the nature of set is like that only. Okay, 1000. In which order you inserted, the same order you should not expect. You should not expect. See in the middle, it is like added. So add method is used for what? Add method is used for what? To add an element in the list, not in the last, not in the first, not in the middle. I don't know. Okay, so add method return type is what? How we can find one method return type? How we can find one method return type? Okay, while calling that method, whatever the value it is going to give, okay, that is only return value. The type is return type or not. Okay, now if I put like this, can I, okay, can I hold that value like this? Now, can I go with j? What is my j value? Here, if you come here, my j value is like none. So my add is not written anything. My add is not written anything. That's all. Agreed? What is the next method? So my return type of add is what? Add method is what? None. It's not written anything. Okay. What is my next method? Okay, clear. Huh? Okay. This is my I value. This is my I value. Okay. Now I dot clear. What is the type? Okay. I dot clear. What is this? No arguments. One was given. It does not take any arguments. One was given. So can I remove this one? Now I returns me what? I returns me what? Okay. Now I dot clear returns me what? Now is my clear returns anything? No. So what is my I value? What is my I value? My I, it's like an empty set or not. So if you want to clear everything, then you can go with what? Then you can go with clear or not. Okay. The next one, copy. Copy. Let's go with the copy one. Now, the next one is like x equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, no? X equals to 1 comma 2. The next one is like y equals to x. Y equals to x. So x value is this one, and my y value is this one, and my y value is this one. Okay, just I want to append the value to my y. Append the value to my y. Okay, done. Set object has no attribute append. You know that one. Okay, so which one is there? Set object has no attribute of append. What it means? What it means? Append method is not available in the set. Okay. Now add. There or not there? Yes, there. Now if you come here, 1 to 300, 1 to 100. If I go with x, my x also get changed or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Here what happened internally? Internally what happened? Internal what happened? Very simple here. Now first you created like what? One set. Is my value a equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So whenever you create a variable, okay, internal what happened? Dynamically it is going to allocate some memory for this particular value. Why? Because Python is like a dynamically typed programming language. Dynamically allocate the memory and keep that particular value here or not. Okay, that memory location name is what? Address. My address is like a. So my a is pointing to 1 2 3. Okay, my a is pointing to this location. This location contains 1 2 3 value. Yes or? This location contains 1 2 3 value. Okay, na everyone? Yes. The next one. What is the next one? B equals to a. B equals to a. I written like this. Whenever I assigned A to B, it is not create one more new object. It is not create one more new object. When it is going to create a new set object, whenever you create like this or whenever you create like this, then only it creates a new sets. But here I assign the existing object only to my B or not. So it is not create a new memory and it is going to place what? It is going to place what? It is not create a new space. It is not create a new space, and the same space only referred with B now. The same space only referred with B now. Yes or no? Now, why? Because here I just assign the existing object. I am not creating a new object. When it is going to create a new object, there has two ways. One is like by using set. Okay, constructor you can call it. That means set. You can create an object for the set class like this. Another one is like in the curly brace. You can put some values. Then also it's create a new set. But that kind of syntax I didn't write here. Already existing here. Curly brace 1 2 3 means new memory created, new object created. Whenever you create a new object, it will get the memory and place some value and everything. But here you not create the new one and the existing one only assigned to my P. Okay, done. Now if you do some value b dot add of 100, then that time if you do b dot add of 100, b is pointing to this one. Now here it is adding like what? 100 or not? Did you observe? Okay, B is pointing to this one. The same memory location pointed with the A also. So that B value changed. At the same time, my A is pointing to the same location. My A also changed or not? My A also changed. That's the reason here my B changed. Okay, here my Y changed. My X also changed. Yes or no? Agreed with me? Come on. Agreed? Alor? Hmm? Why it is changing? Like if you do some change in the y it is changing my x also? Understood or not? Okay, let's go with the next one. Now I'm going to write like this.
Yes.
My p value equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, now my p value is like 1 comma 2. My q equals to p dot copy. Okay, first of all, what is my copy? My copy is which type? That is inside the set or not? Yes, it's a function type. Okay, function type. Now if we come here, set copy takes no arguments. Yes, I confirmed like, okay, it should not take any parameter. Done. Okay, now agreed everyone? My copy method returns me what? Anyone guess? My copy method returns me what? How we can find the return value of the method or a function? While calling, hold that value with one more variable or not? Yes, no? Hold that value with one more variable. Yes. Now, can I go with the Q? Yes. Can I go with the P? Yes. That means my copy returns me what? Can anyone guess? Come on, come on. My copy returns me what? Again the set, right? The same value of copy or not? Yes or no? Now, if I write p dot add of or q dot add of 100, okay, 100. Now, see, my q value is this one. See, my p value is like changed or not changed? Not changed. Why? Because see, my copy method, okay, returns me a new set with the same data. Returns me what? A new set. Did you observe? The queue returns me a new set. It is a creates a new set. It is not uses the existing set or not. It creates a new set. A new set created means new means a new space allocated for that particular one or not. Now the same story again. If you come here again, if you write, see this how it is looks like with the our copy method. P equals to 1 comma 2. Can anyone tell me if I write like this, a new set created or not? Yes, no? If I write like this, new set created or not created? Come on. Okay, one way is like you can create an object, another way is like curly brace with some content, a new set gets created. So it is creates a new set. Whenever you create a new set, a new memory allocated, and place which value, and place which value, place 1 comma 2 value, that particular place assigned with what? Assigned with p. Perfect. Okay, done. The next one, p dot copy. Can anyone tell me? Copy method inside the set. Okay, it returns me what? By seeing this one, tell me. Copy method returns me what? Come on. Copy method returns me what? Copy method I called and hold with some value. Now, if I print that value, it gives me what? Come on. My set method copy. Okay, my set class copy method returns me what? Same. Okay, same content. You copied your p, right? P is like what? 1 2. Okay, with the same content it creates a new space. Okay, it creates a new space and plays the same content. Copy method returns me what? A new set. Copy method returns me a new set. The content is like same, but the location is like different. Whenever my copy method returns me, okay, the same content with different location, then how it looks like? A new space created. Okay, my content is like same copied. My content is what? 1 2 only, but it creates a new space. It creates a new object, new set object. So that new set object is pointing with what? Q. Now tell me, if I do some operation, some adding, okay, element in the queue, the queue memory location only affected. Is my p affected or not affected? It's not affected. That the reason. Did you observe here? Okay, if I add to my q value changed, but my p not changed. Why? Because my copy method returns me, okay, the new set with the same content or not. New set, it creates a new set. New means new memory location created with the same content or not. Agreed about the copy? It's a kind of, you can say, cloned set. If you want to create, you can go with the copy. Cloned set. If you want to create, you can create the copy. Okay, na? Come on.
Yes.
Okay. Okay then. So remaining things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Okay. You people are okay to join in the evening 9 p.m. Are you able to join? Do you have? Are you okay to join 9 p.m.? Do you have any other works, Praveen?
Yeah, so it's fine for me.
It's fine. Okay. Naveen and Srinu. Yeah, I will tell you. Okay, we can continue now only morning only. Morning and evening also on your batch is there. If you want to join, you can join. Okay. Okay, we'll discuss in tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining.
Okay, thank you.